Hi all, Stephanie Phillips here, Operations Manager at Sullivan & Company CPAs. Today, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through activating your new account in our new client portal. The first step of this will be that our team will be sending you activation emails as well as welcome emails to the new client portal. As you can see here, I have pulled up my individual email account. This is just a dummy account that I've set up, so no client personal identifying information will be shared here. Step one, we'll go in and check out this Welcome to Sullivan & Company email. From here, you'll see a note here from our team. This includes a link to our website, which will also have a link to the new client portal. Highlighted here, it states you'll be receiving a separate email with a link to activate the portal. Additionally, below there, you'll find that you can download an app to your cell phone, either through the Play Store or the iOS Store. And then additionally, below here, you'll find our firm ID, which you will need to activate your account. Our firm ID here is E. Sullivan. Now that I've read that, I'll go back to my inbox and find the activation email. So that will say Sullivan & Co. CPAs, activate your new portal. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now here, you'll see that I have my my activation email. This states that below is linked to activate your account. You'll be prompted to change your password. So firstly, it does give me this bookmark that I can use to add this bookmark to my page. I'll go ahead and copy that and enter that here. That's going to pull up the website here, and this is just so I can bookmark. So this is not the activation link. This is just so I can bookmark this and remember that this is the Sullivan portal. And now I've saved that. I'll go back to the email. This does mention that you should allow for pop-ups, otherwise you won't be able to download your documents. This will take you to another page that will walk you through allowing pop-ups. And then lastly, you can whitelist our emails if you would like to do so. So to make sure that our emails are going straight into your inbox and not ending up in spam or junk, and that you can click here, and this will also walk you through doing that. You just follow the steps within the instructions here to whitelist the emails. Now, lastly, I'll go ahead and activate my account by selecting the Activate option here. This is going to pull up a new page where I will then set up my new password. And it does give you some requirements here. You do need to have uppercase, lowercase, a special character, and numbers included. And the password must be 12 characters minimum. So just be sure to keep that in mind when setting up your password. Then you'll go ahead and activate your portal. Now this will, again, just automatically set you up. Your account will be set up with the email that you've received this to. So the email that I'll be signing in with is my Gmail email, which is the whocindyLou112@gmail.com. So I'll go ahead and use that here and enter my password. I'm now in our new portal. So this will come up. This is just a user license agreement. I'll go ahead and read through to the bottom here and then select accept. This is giving Sullivan & Company the consent to send me SMS messages, which I would like so I can stay up to date on anything that's needed and any upcoming memos that might be sent with updates about the upcoming tax season. So I'll go ahead and accept, although you do have the ability to select decline if you would like. From here, I'm now on my new client portal dashboard. This will be the page that you see upon logging in. All clients will see something very similar to this. If you are just an individual, you're going to see this hashtag with your name over here. That'll be the area that you'll see. And then if you have a business, you may see a business name here as well. If you have access to multiple accounts, let's say that you have children who also have access to their portal account, you would see all the names listed here. From this dashboard, you can see that we have unread messages, which I do have one, and I'll show you that in a moment. Any recent documents that have been uploaded for me to save as a copy to my personal system, any to-dos. Let's say that you're working with your accountant and we need some additional information. Your accountant might send a to-do to you requesting that you upload that additional data or answer any pending questions. Below here, you'll see that I do have one document that's waiting for my e-signature. I'll have a questionnaire here for the upcoming 2025 tax season when we send out our individual questionnaires. And then I also have an invoice here, which I will go through as well. As you'll see on the left-hand side of the screen, we have the hashtag home, which is the home page here, hashtag dashboards, and that'll just take me to that page that automatically pops up upon logging into the system. Documents. This is where I can view the documents that the company has shared with me, as well as where I would go to upload the document that I would like to share with the company. So again, if you are just one individual, you'll have this one folder which has your name on it that you'll click on. If you have a business or you have access to maybe a trust account, um, your children's portal, you would see all of those listed here. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and go into this individual folder. You'll also see here that I have a client uploads folder. This is where I'm going to click into to go ahead and upload documents for my team or for the accountants that are working on my returns. For the purposes of this video, these are all blank documents. I am not sharing any sensitive client information here. I have an individual client agreement, W-2, and tax return. Let's go ahead and say that I want to upload this information, my W-2 and my last year's tax return for my accountant. I can take those items and drag and drop here. If I don't want to drag and drop and want to do that manually, I can add a document and then do that from my system. Now that I've done this, the team at Sullivan & Company will receive a notification that you've uploaded documents to our system. From here, I can go back to the main folder. Now, if the company uploaded documents for me to see, I would see those here as well. If I go back to home, you'll see here that below hashtag documents is hashtag e-signatures. Moving forward, rather than sending you documents through DocuSign separately, you'll receive those. You will receive an email, but you'll also receive the notification within the portal that you have something that needs to be signed. The system used is DocuSign, so it still is secure, and it's through our secure online portal. So I see that I have this one document that needs to be signed. Additionally, I'll have access to view the documents that I have signed in the past. I'll go ahead and click into this document. It may take a moment just to load really quickly, but you'll see again, these are going to be done through DocuSign, the same system that we've used previously. It's all just consolidated into one location. I'll go ahead and just like I would for any previous items that I've signed in the past, I'll go ahead and adopt and sign, sign, and sign. And now I can complete this. Obviously, if you're receiving something from us, you should go through and read the document. But for the purposes of making this video short and sweet, I'll go ahead and finish. I will receive a confirmation that we have completed the signature portion, what was needed from me here on the screen. And then if I go back, you'll actually see that you no longer have this sitting in to be signed. You'll see the document in signed, and then you can click in to view the document, or you can go back and download a copy of that document, the signed document, and download to your system. But again, it will stay here within our system. Back to the home screen, below e-signatures, you'll see that we have invoices. From here, I'll have the ability to view any invoices that have been sent to me, let's say for a client agreement or for monthly work, etc. I can go ahead and pay that here. You will have the option to make payments through our system by entering your bank account and routing number, and we would ACH that just as we would when you would fill out the routing sheet before, or the ACH authorization form before. I can download a copy of this, and then once we go live with this, there will be an option for you to complete payment and enter your information. Back to the home screen, below hashtag invoices is hashtag questionnaires. Once we send those out, you'll see that a questionnaire has been assigned to you. The system will walk you through completing the questionnaire virtually. You can do this either on the website here, or you can do it through the app. All of these items can be completed both here on the actual web browser or within the app itself. Below that, you'll see hashtag tos. The to-dos will be here if someone in our office needs to request something from you. You may have a to-do to upload an additional document or answer a question that's been outstanding. That'll show as assigned. Once you've submitted it, that'll show here under submitted. And then once you've completed, or once we've downloaded, you'll see it as done. Marked it done and received. You'll see it show up as done. And then again, below that, you'll see now we have messages with a hashtag and the name. If I click into that, you'll see messages from our team. So I have set this up where I'm just sending, hi, this is a request for additional information. These are the items that I need. Please call if you have questions. You can upload documents straight to our system through here. You could add a note on what that document is. And then you can also enter a message here. Once you've done that, someone on our team will receive the notification that you've responded to that message. And as you can see, it no longer shows up with a notification here. I hope that this video was helpful in setting up and activating your account. If you have further questions, we would be happy to assist. Please feel free to give our office a call.